morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here an update for our M26 Plus smartwatch. Okay, the smartwatch with a wireless charging capability. Okay, so we are happy that we have this M26 Plus smartwatch. It is a pretty good smartwatch in the Series 6 model. Okay, but sadly, after a week of usage, it's not working anymore. It's broken. And of course, the reason is, let me show it to you. Okay, we we think that's the problem here is the battery. Okay, so the culprit is the battery, and the reason is because of overcharging. So again, warning, don't overcharge your smartwatch. We thought that it has a feature that when you overcharge it, it will automatically stop. Okay, I don't know what happened here, but seems like okay, we made a mistake and overcharged this 190 mAh battery. We are not sure if we can replace this, okay, or look for other options or other battery from other smartwatches. Okay, but I think it's practically dead already. Okay, I think it's the end of our wearable. Okay, so we have here the inner workings of the wearable. Okay, so we have some chips here. I think this is for the speaker here, and seems like so this one, okay, maybe this is for the motor sensor. I think we are not sure, but we have here the contents of the wearable. Okay, so for the last time we charge here, it is still charging but it's not turning on. Then eventually, okay, the screen display, okay, pop up. Okay, we thought it's just a issue with the glue here, okay, or the adhesive, but when we check it out, you can see here that the problem is more of the battery. As you can see here, it balloons. Okay, and when you see that your battery, okay, is out of shape, okay, similar to this one, that's the end of it. Okay, we'll see, we'll update you later on, okay, in the next few months, if we can look for a replacement battery for this one and eventually, okay, make it work. But so far, as you can see here, it is the inner workings is very complicated and you need a special tool to solder on this wire here. Okay, I don't know if we'll be able to replace it. Okay, but we will try. Okay, so here's the contents of the smartwatch here. Okay, as you can see it. So let's have a closer look. Okay, so this one, it costs around, I think, $25. Okay, the M26 Plus smartwatch. In just a week of usage, and it's gone. Okay, maybe it's overcharging, okay, or overheating, we don't know, but mostly I think because we left it in the charging cable for several hours. I think that is the reason why. Okay, so that's it. Goodbye to our M26 Plus smartwatch, a smartwatch with a wireless charging capability. And also say goodbye to the or to the 25 dollars in just a week of usage. Okay, anyway, we might be able to find a solution or use for the parts here of the smartwatch. Okay, we'll see if we can find a battery for this one or not. Okay, so again, as a warning for those of you who are charging their wearables, don't left it, okay, unattended, or left it in the charging cable for too long. Okay, try to put a limit on it, an hour or two. Check every now and then if it's fully charged or not. Okay, so that this problem like this will not happen to your wearable. Okay, so most probably this is the result of overcharging your wearable. Okay, rest in peace to our M26 Plus smartwatch. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com. Okay, and the M26 Plus smartwatch saying goodbye. Okay, it's a week of happiness, and that's it. Goodbye.